Welcome to Asyn Code. Want to be the kind of coder who knows exactly what they're doing? Hit subscribe and let's build some projects that will make you feel like a coding rock star. Tuples and sequences are fundamental data structures in Python that allow us to store and organize multiple items together. A tuple is an ordered, immutable collection of elements, meaning once a tuple is created, its contents cannot be changed, added, or removed. It is defined using parentheses, for example. Tuples are typically used for storing fixed sets of data, such as coordinates, or a set of related values. A sequence, on the other hand, is a broader term that refers to any ordered collection of items, including lists, strings, and tuples. Sequences allow you to access elements by index, iterate through them, and use slicing to get subsequences. While tuples are immutable, other sequences, like lists, are mutable, meaning their contents can be altered. This example demonstrates how to store and display information about students using Python's tuples and lists. The program defines a tuple to hold a single student's data, including their name, age, and grade. It then accesses each element of the tuple and prints the student's information. Next, a list is used to store multiple student tuples, and a for loop iterates over this list to unpack and display each student's details in a readable format. The goal is to show how tuples, for fixed, immutable data, and lists, for mutable collections of tuples, can be used together to efficiently manage and display structured information. The example is useful in scenarios where you need to handle and present multiple sets of related data, such as student records or employee information. Defining a tuple to store a student's data, name, age, grade. Student_info is a tuple containing 3 elements. Student_info is of type tuple. Tuples are immutable and are typically used when data should not be changed. Accessing individual elements in the tuple using index. Tuples are ordered collections, so we can access each element by its index, starting from 0. Each of these variables, student_name, student_age, student_grade, is of type string, for student_name, and integer, for student_age and student_grade. We can print each value to verify the information. The print function outputs text to the console. Here, we are printing the student's name. The argument passed to print is student_name, which holds the value John. Similarly, this line prints the student's age, which is stored in the student_age variable. The print function takes the value stored in student_age and displays it. This line prints the student's grade, which is stored in the student_grade variable. Now let's store multiple students' data in a list of tuples. Students is a list containing multiple tuples. Each tuple represents a student's information. A list is a mutable sequence, meaning we can change it later if needed. Students is of type list, and each item inside it is a tuple with the same structure as student_info. Now, we can loop through the list and print out each student's information. The for loop iterates through each tuple in the student's list. Each iteration gets a single tuple. The variable student represents the current tuple in each iteration. Unpacking the tuple into individual variables, name, age, grade. This is called tuple unpacking. It automatically assigns each element of the tuple student to the respective variable, name, age, grade, in a single line of code. The print function here uses an f string, which allows us to directly insert variables into the string. It prints the student's name, age, and grade in the format. Name: John, age 16, grade 92. The values for name, age, and grade are taken from the unpacked tuple. Now run our code. I appreciate you all for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay updated.